Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Netflix. You click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Netflix and you will click. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.